Waiting like 2 minutes and it still couldn't connect. So apparently connecting this adapter is not easy. Okay, so right now I'm in my Passat 2008, so this one should be supported. I connected my SPARQ adapter and it kind of took me a long time, but I was able to finally connect with car. I had a new car, Volkswagen Passat, and finally I got it to run full scan, because before I have tried to run some scans and always it just prompted me to buy adapter, which I already have, so that was weird. Okay, so it did scan and that just confirmed my initial feeling about this scanner, so no issues found. It says 146 inspections passed. Basically what this is just doing simple engine scan, nothing too crazy, and it is saying that my car doesn't have any faults. I mean, this car has a lot of problems. Maybe there are not fault codes in engine, I am still not sure about that. We can check with full system scanner also. It didn't find any faults, so this is not scanner to do some real diagnosing, because if you take like simple ELM adapter, already you can scan more modules with something like car scanner app. Right now I am connected, so let's go over these features. Okay, unlock your car's health status, so I have to connect again. I thought I am already connected. This is like, it's so hard to use this scanner. It always says you have to connect. I was connected before, but now again it is telling me to connect device, and I have waited for a long time to connect for the first time. Okay, so this is the same check it done before, so good. Right now I can at least have it on video. So check is fast, but this is just fancy app that does only basic stuff, so I could just plug in engine code reader and it tells me same thing. I don't have any fault codes in engine because it scan engine only, and then it lists every little thing, so it seems like it scanned a lot of stuff. But I'm telling you right away, this is not app made by car people. This looks like app was made by some marketers, not from someone that actually has a clue about cars. It also has AI. Shaking engine and difficulty starting, blah blah blah. Common issue include faulty spark plugs, failing fuel pump, or problems with the air intake system. Now this Passat is diesel, so it doesn't even have spark plugs. So that's what I'm saying, is like you can ask ChatGPT, you will get better answer. Now originally this is made for the US, and from what I have understand, it is connecting to some car database. Like I think in the US you have something called Carfax or something like that. That is pulling data, like if you want to check used car, it pulls some data or reports from insurance companies. So you can see it was flooded, damaged, it was in accident, stuff like that. Now I cannot verify because also app seems to be working in the US only, because I am in Europe and I wasn't able to even download this app. First, I didn't have iPhone. It is only for iOS, and then when I bought iPhone, I wasn't able to download because it says it is not available for my location, so I had to change my Apple account country to United States, and then only after I could download. But if you are outside of Europe, I mean, I will be honest, this app is completely useless. This is wasted $130, and if you are in the US, I still don't think this app or adapter is worth buying, unfortunately. I mean, I got this adapter for free, but there is risk of sending your OBD2 scanner to IamCar Hacker, because I am doing honest reviews. So yes, this SPARQ adapter or app, don't buy it, it's not worth it.